So this particular camera, it comes with a Chime adapter. So like I was saying on the previous video, it's a 2-wire connection, and a lot of people in their homes or business have the regular push button ding dong doorbell. So with this particular unit, you get this Chime adapter, which we interrupt the wires from your original doorbell and put this on there, and this goes inside the bells that you have. Sometimes they're up in the corner of the room or something whatnot. Another great feature of the First Alert doorbell camera is you don't necessarily need to have a doorbell in your home or office. It can utilize the 16 to 18 volts transformers that you would have running your alarm system. So in this particular one, we have also a power supply, whereas we can use that particular connection from the transformers to power the unit.